Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine, safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. So my dear students, please take out your GK books and let's start our today's lesson. As you all know that we have started unit number 11 and I have given you a complete introduction of unit number 11. And my dear students, the name of our unit is, quickly tell me, my body. My body. So today we will start unit number 11, lesson number 1, and for that do an activity. You're really gonna enjoy that. We will play a game here. You can see there is an empty chart paper here, and what we are going to do is we will paste. You see, these are cutouts from a body. You have to arrange them on the chart paper. And similarly, the teacher can make this activity in the classroom. Even the parents can make this activity at home, that you just need a chart paper and few cutouts from a picture. And then ask your child to paste them on the wall or on the chart paper. So first of all, I will paste the head. The face, there you go, the head, the face and the neck. Then goes the middle body. There you go. Am I pasting it right? Yes, I hope so. Now comes the arms. The second one, and then comes the legs and the foot, just like this. And now it is a complete body. This is how you will complete your body parts. And now I can show you this on the big screen. Okay, the activity doesn't end here. You have to name different body parts. Can you name a few body parts? For example, what is this? What is this? What is this? You have to name them. So, these are the different names of your body parts. Hair, ear, nose, arms, hands, fingers, mouth, eyes, legs, and then comes the foot. So these are all your body parts. Okay, touch your body parts. Where are your hair? Where's your nose? Where are your eyes? So these are called your body parts. Okay, now I'll sing a poem for you and you will enjoy it. Okay, everybody stand up and touch the body part that I will name in the poem. Okay, with my ears I hear, with my eyes I see, with my mouth I eat, I sing aloud, with my nose I smell a rose. Sing along with me, sing along with me. I use my hand to hold things. I use my feet to walk in the rain. I use my legs for jumping. This is my body and I love all of me. So, did you enjoy the poem? And did you touch all the body parts that I was naming in the poem? I hope yes. You can also pause the video and you can re-watch the poem here. Okay students, so on page number 81, there are the student learning outcomes given, which are for the parents and the teachers to understand. So today, by the end of the lesson, all the students will be able to name major parts of human body like eye, nose, mouth, arms, feet and legs. Today we will name major body parts, and by the end of the lesson you will be able to name a lot of body parts. Okay, my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said the true Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hand the Muslims are safe. So my dears, this is very important to understand that हमें अल्लाह हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने बताया है कि आपको जो अल्लाह ताला ने मुख्तलिफ बॉडी पार्ट्स दी हैं, जैसे कि ज़बान है, जैसे कि आपके हाथ हैं, आपके पाँव हैं, हमने इनसे दूसरों को तकलीफ़ नहीं दी। अल्लाह ताला ने हमें ये बॉडी पार्ट्स हमारे काम करने के लिए दिए हैं, दूसरों को तकलीफ़ पहुंचाने के लिए नहीं दिए। कोई ऐसी बात ना करें जिससे किसी को तकलीफ़ हो, कोई ऐसा एक्शन ना करें कि जिससे किसी और को तकलीफ़ पहुंचे। Is that clear? Then you will become a very good Muslim. Okay, my dear students, some pre-reading questions before we will move on towards our reading page. Name your body parts you already know. Name a few body parts जो आपको पहले से पता है। अभी हमने बहुत सारे रिवाइज भी किए हैं, पोएम में भी पढ़े हैं। Like what is this? Hand. What are these? Eyes. What is this? Nose. So try to name more body parts. Pause the video and try to count how many body parts do you already know. Very good. Okay, quickly open page number 82 in your books. You can pause the video. I'm waiting. Then we will start reading. Okay, my dear students, page number 82. As you can see on page number 82, what can you see? You can see a boy and his body parts are being labeled. Can you see them? These are the body parts. Okay. So my body parts. My body parts. तो ये जो जिस्म के मुख्तलिफ हिस्से हैं, जैसे कि आपका ये फेस है, हैंड्स है, ये आपकी पूरी बॉडी के पार्ट्स हैं, छोटे छोटे से, जैसे कि आपका सर, आपकी गर्दन, ये पार्ट्स हैं, ठीक है। और ये जब सब कंबाइन हो जाते हैं तो ये आपकी बॉडी बनाते हैं। दे मेक अप योर बॉडी। और अलग अलग अगर आप इनको देखें, जैसे कि मैंने आपको यहाँ पर दिखाया था, तो दीज आर जस्ट पार्ट्स, ठीक है। ये जो कट आउट्स थे, अलोन दे वर पार्ट्स, और जब हमने इनको कंबाइन कर दिया, नाउ इट इज अ फुल बॉडी। तो अब हम आपकी बॉडी पार्ट्स के अलग अलग जो है हम उनको पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। यू हैव टू, आई विल रीड देम आउट एंड यू हैव टू रिपीट द वर्ड्स आफ्टर मी। ओके, हेयर, दीज आर हेयर, हेयर आपके बाल। देन कम्स आईज, ईयर, nose. Are you repeating after me? Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Hand. Hand. Finger. Leg. From here to here it is leg. And then underneath the leg, this part is foot. Foot. Okay, again, now all of you pause the video and stand up. Stand up, everyone. I hope you have done it. Now, again, what you need to do is, I will name the body parts by touching my body. You have to touch your body and repeat after me, okay? Okay, hair. You cannot see my hair, but on your head there are hair. Eyes. Eyes, touch your eyes. Ear, ear, hold your ears. Mouth, mouth, जिससे हम बोल रहे हैं, this is mouth. Then come hands. These are hands. And then on the top of the hands are the fingers. Fingers. Nose, touch with your fingers, touch your nose. Nose. Then comes the leg. Leg, and then underneath the leg, foot. Touch your foot, foot. So I hope you have named all your body parts now. You can again pause the video and you can touch it by yourself, by touch your body part and name it. Okay? Now forward. Your practice for today. I will give, your teacher will provide you with the worksheet number 1. It will be given you in this form. आपको ऐसे एक worksheet printed form में आपकी teacher देंगी और ये आपको fill करनी है. कैसे fill करेंगे? First of all, you write down your name over here. Then you will write your class over here. After that, match the labels with correct body parts. Use a ruler to draw a line. Can you add some labels of your own? Okay, very interesting. Okay, here's the body given, and in this column, body parts are given. These are the body parts, okay? And this is the complete body. So now you need a ruler and a pencil. Hold the ruler and then draw the line. Just like, let me do the first one for you, ear. So where are the ear? Just like this. Do the rest yourself. Mouth, draw the line from mouth to mouth, then eye, nose, hand, finger, leg. Okay. इसके अलावा क्या आपको कोई और बॉडी पार्ट पता है? Do you know another body part? For example, let me add one arm. This is an arm, okay? Arm. And this is here. So I have added 2 body parts of my own. यानी कि ये यहाँ नहीं लिखे हुए और मैंने ये खुद से ऐड किए हैं. Okay. Have you done it? Pause the video and quickly finish your worksheet. Draw neat and clean lines and don't forget to add labels of your own. There you go. Now you can recheck your work from here. Done? Let's move forward. Okay. Evaluation. Now ask few questions and then I will evaluate कि आपने आज क्या सीखा है. Okay. Which body parts do you use the most? आप सबसे ज़्यादा अपना कौन सा body part use करते हैं? अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करते हैं then it must be your mouth. अगर आप खाना बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हैं then it is also your mouth. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं या लिखते हैं then you are using your hands. और अगर आप jumping and running बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं then you are using your legs. Quickly tell me which body part you use the most. Very good. Okay, have you seen people without eyes, arms, feet, etc.? We should thank Allah Ta'ala for these body parts. क्या आपने कभी किसी ऐसे आदमी को देखा है या किसी ऐसे इंसान को देखा है रोड पे या in your surrounding जिनका कोई body part missing हो? For example, कोई leg ना हो या eyes ना हो. There are people, blind people or any person who has missing body parts. So, we must thank such people. For example, he does not have eyes. He does not have legs, so this is how, or he may have an injury with his legs, so that's why he cannot walk. So we must thank Allah Ta'ala for our proper body. कि हमारे सारी body parts पूरे हैं, तो we must thank Allah Ta'ala for that. Okay, my dear students, so your homework for today is homework activity number 1. Home activity number 1. Tell your parents or siblings about your body parts and ask them to and name his or her own body parts. ठीक है? Sorry. Okay. अब आपने क्या करना है कि आपने अपने पेरेंट्स के पास जाना है या अपने सिबलिंग्स के पास. उनको आपने पहले अपने बॉडी पार्ट्स बताने हैं बाय टचिंग देम एंड बाय नेमिंग देम. आफ्टर दैट उनसे आप पूछें कि वो इसी तरीके से अपने बॉडी पार्ट्स को टच करें और उनके नेम्स आपको बताएं. So it will be a fun activity. You can pause the video and do it with your parents or with your siblings or with your friends, anybody. Very good. Okay, what have I learned? आज हमने क्या सीखा? Eyes, nose, mouth, arm, feet and legs are parts of my body. तो आज सीखा कि हमारी जो पूरी बॉडी है उनके कौन कौन से पार्ट्स हैं. Eyes, nose, mouth, arm, feet and legs. They are parts of our Body. Okay, let's quickly wrap up the lesson, answer a few questions. Which body parts do you use the most? I use my hands because I love writing. And I also do washing, like washing the dishes, so I use my hands a lot. Okay, have you seen people without eyes, arms, feet, etc.? Once I was going on the road and I saw a blind man. He does not have eyes. So, did you see any person? Okay. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the activity and you have done your worksheet and you have learnt all the body parts now. So keep everybody around you safe. If you need any help, you can re-watch the video and take care of yourself. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.